All right. So, guys, yesterday there was this discussion. We had to end in between because of the time crunch that we'll be moving forward today. So, there was this very interesting question asked yesterday in the class, which was about success. That which phase exactly is more struggling? Is that before achieving success or after achieving success? So there are people who believe that before achieving success, there is the most struggle one faces because that is about achieving it. But there is another party which believes that no, after achieving success, the real struggle starts that people don't know about. And that is the biggest myth which is running in the world, that you should achieve success and thereafter life will be easy. But that's not the truth, because the people who have achieved it claim this thing that success is not just enough, because life still goes so struggling and challenging right after even achieving it. Right? Right. So yesterday, some of you favored this part that yes, that's true. After success, life becomes harsh. But there were some different opinions as well that I received. Some from Shama, some from Anjali, and we were somewhere standing at that place where you people said majorly that challenge is actually right after the success. So now I want you to share the points that you wanted to mention yesterday, but because of the time crunch, we could not continue. So I want you to now tell me whatever the things that you were left with yesterday.
Money is we will not say that money is everything, but yeah, for surviving life, money is important. Because if you want to, if you want to enjoy everything in your life, like if you want to whatever, like a dress or a dish, what you like most. So that time the money is important, but we will not say that money is everything. But for surviving life, money is important.
No, so what's your take? For people, success should be money, or it should just be a part which is necessary but not the life of yours?
Sorry, but I didn't get question. Can you repeat?
Okay, by the way, there's a good news. Rohit is joining in 5 to 10 minutes, so you can answer him well. He has just texted me. So my question is, so Shama, what do you think? Money is as necessary until our needs are fulfilled, or you believe that no, this is not like this only. Money has got a broader concept than that, which is about success. Because money is everything for success. What's your take?
Man can say that money is everything for success.
So you means you are supporting what Rohit said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Indirectly, we have to support.
Okay, so you support Rohit. Others, guys, come on. No, girls, come on. Please, 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 Shazia ji.
That thank you so much for that giving me that I'm feeling so honored to be the part of this amazing and wonderful topic. That is money is very important in success, or like a success that's like that happiness that you have to live for even happiness. So the success is what I believe that the success is that how much you're satisfying life. But if someone say no, money is not important, so that person might be monks and say. For needs are very, very important that yes, money is very important to survive on the earth and fulfill our economical need. You can't imagine your life without money. However, life can't run. And you not think we are like a philosophies or okay, first we have to full use savas. Then you can think out of the box. When you are hungry, your mind doesn't function properly now. So how can you be to just focus on your goals and achieve? So you can think beyond survival when you are struggling and that man need your basic set. This money is very, very important and it's our basic set. But we can't buy everything in life. That kind of money. That's like if I'm giving you some example, like honesty. So honesty is a best for it. Being honest, you will never misuse your power and never try to be corrupted and spoil your image. However, that people never compromise on the principle before taking power or assuring an official position. They stand the principle throughout, throughout the life. even they get pressure or difficult situation, they would prefer to embed that, but they would never damage their reputation. So
Okay.
their grand home is safe. So yes, that's a right though. I am the rest of thing. I'm just people discuss that those who are like my pole learners. So from my end,
Okay, so you also support what Shama said, that it's after all money.
no, I'm saying that for needs is very important. But some things we can't buy.
Okay.
After we still have to think about that, no. The success means not that AC time go rushing could have less money over and more money. That is you leap or fuse. So that's something. You can't, that are those who are like, you have money, but you can't buy honesty. You can't buy health. Because health is very, very important.
Okay.
If you lose money, you earn again. But if you lose health, you lose everything.
Everything. Okay, so you are partially agreeing with what they have said, not entirely.
Yes.
Okay. Others. So yesterday, if you remember, I said I also have got a very interesting question to ask you. I'll give you that, but I'm waiting for Rohit to answer, because I guess we are a little ambiguous about what exactly Rohit said. It was something about money, but I guess the statement was little different than what we are discussing here. So I want that part to be first be cleared, and then I'll ask you the further question that I've got. Yes, Priyanshi.
Well, I think he said it about the financial, like financially stability is the ultimate goal of our life. Like having money is, I think, we are living in that society that money matters a lot. Like we need to have money, to fulfill our basic needs, to fulfill our parents' basic needs. So for me, I think success means ultimate goal of success means money for me.
Okay. For you, success means you also agree with the same part.
Yeah.
Money plays a vital role. Yes, Pooja.
I am also
Hmm.
I'm also
I'm
agree
nahi.
with them.
I also agree.
Oh, okay. I also agree with them because money plays a vital role in our life. Because now we can say our relatives also treat us like when we have money, so they treat us good. But we don't have money, so they do partiality with us. So in house, in relatives, in like anywhere, money plays a vital role. And it shows like money is very powerful now. And if we have money, so we can fulfill our all the needs. Like we can take good education, good health, like everything we get easily. We have money. If we don't have money, so we have to survive our life. Like we have to like we are unable to get good education or good we are unable to take medicine, good medicine, like good treatment. So there are so many difficulties we face without money. So money is also plays a vital role as well as
Is nahi aayega. Money also play
okay, money also play vital
vital
role
role.
in our life. Yeah.